Y'all know I'm a fall baby, and this color for the fall gets a hell yes for me.
Flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
This color is so freaking cute to me. This is a lace frontal wig from Arabella Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. So this is a chestnut colored wig. It is a body wave texture. It's 26 inches long and it has a 13 by 4 inch lace frontal on it. As you can see, it looks super cute. I think this would be the perfect color for this fall. It's giving like a medium dark brown to me, and it's like a warm tone brown, so it does pull a little red, but I like that. And when I say it pulls a little red, I mean the slightest bit of red. This is a brown for sure. This wig is 180% density. Like, this is enough volume for sure, unless you like your hair like 5-6 bundles. So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today as well as styled it, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy.
So I finished curling this side off camera. I think it turned out super cute. I did it the exact same way. I curled away from my face with this Hot Tools 1.5 inch curling wand. Right now we're gonna go in and make sure that this parting area is defined. So I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45 with my MAC 212 brush. It's just a flat top brush. This is just to make sure you can see the parting, because this brown is only like a few shades darker than my skin color, so it can kind of like blend in with my skin. But y'all know I like doing this anyways, but it's definitely a necessity when I'm wearing a colored wig like this. So next I'm going to go ahead and use this wide tooth comb just to make sure that these curls are nice and combed out. I like my curls to look effortless. I don't want them to look super defined. So for me, this is a must. Look at that. So freaking cute. I'm going to do the same on this side. So So here is the wig fully installed and styled. I think it looks super cute. If you've been dying to try a different colored wig, but you don't want to go too out there, I think this is the perfect color to try. If you're interested in this wig, I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already watched my super detailed soft glam makeup tutorial, you'll definitely want to check that out next to get a flawless beat like the one I'm wearing in this video. Click the box right here to check that out now.